I've been eyeing inflatable kayaks for a while, and Walmart had Black Friday deals. Of course, everybody did. And I found this one for like $130. It comes with its own backpack. And this is me unboxing it. I'm super excited. You'll see me shake rather hard to get it out of the box, and you see what it looks like on the outside. I inflate it later when I'm closer to the river, and you'll see that version. There'll be another video later of my first time out on the river. Actually, it was a lake. But yeah, here you'll see an idea of the pieces that are involved. A view close up of the box. This is the Surveiller. They make a lot of different ones. This had a very high rating. The backpack is very comfortable, and the oars fit inside. The pack, it comes already folded up. Later, you have to like inflate it according to the numbers on the kayak itself, but it's pretty self-explanatory. So you guys watch this. If you have any questions, let me know. The biggest struggle is me getting it out of this stinking box. After that, it was pretty much all gravy. So I'm not the only one, right, that like sees instructions and is like, I'll figure it out myself. So it wasn't really that hard. The pieces are all, of course, in the box, and they basically screw together. So it makes one long oar. I didn't get that at first, but I did eventually get that out on the river. I'm showing you the pieces, how they fit inside each other. One piece screws on, so as it tightens up, it adjusts so that it gets really tight on the bar, and you just connect them together. But since you're going to be carrying the backpack, you're just going to do one half and then the other half and just assemble them completely together once you get to wherever you're going to be kayaking. So my real concern was how heavy is it? The review said it's pretty light and easy enough to like throw on your back and go hiking to like any point and then like get in the river. And they're right. It's nice and light. It really is. Excuse the high vis, guys. I was just coming from work. Super pleased with it. And in the next video, we'll see how it works out the first time on water.